Hello everyone, I have here an Amaryllis flower which I just cut from this one, from this stalk, and I cut this from my garden. Let's investigate the parts of an Amaryllis flower and check if it is a complete flower or not. So we have learned before that there are 4 whorls in a complete flower. You have a sepals, collectively called the calyx, the petals, which are collectively called the corolla, then the stamen, which is the male organ, and the pistil, which is the female organ. So if it has all the 4 whorls, then we describe that flower to be a complete flower. So let's check now our Amaryllis. Oh, it has no petal, sepals. It has no sepals or calyx. So this must be an incomplete flower. But it has petals. All these bright and conspicuous parts or attractive parts constitute they form the petals, and collectively they constitute the corolla. They are attractive to attract pollinators and even us. Now, the parts inside, this ones with the stalk, could be the stamen or the pistil. So let's check. This one is clearer. So these ones, can you see, are the stamen. Now there are 6 stamens in this flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 stamens in this flower, which is indicative of being a monocot. Monocots have parts in 3s or in multiples of 3. 6 is a multiple of 3. So these 6 stamens indicate that this is a monocot. By the way, let's go back to the petals. There are how many petals in this flower? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this also has 6 petals, indicative of a monocot. Alright, now I've shown you already the stamens a while ago. Now this one is the pistil. This entire thing which goes down to the ovary is the pistil. It has an expanded top, which we call the stigma. This expanded top is sticky, so that pollen grains could easily stick to it during pollination. Now, let me use a dissected flower with the petals removed. So this is the stigma. Now this is connected to a stalk, which we call the style, and this continues to the bottom. It connects to an expanded base, which we call the ovary. This one is the ovary, and if you open the ovary, you will see ovules inside. You can see this ones, this rounded or semi-rounded structures. This ones, can you see this? There. This one has several ovules. This flower has several ovules, but other flowers may have only one ovule. That. Now each ovule contains the egg cell or the female reproductive cell, which when fertilized will form the zygote that will develop into an embryo, which will germinate into a new plant. Now, this flower has stamens. It has stamens, the male reproductive organ, as well as a pistil. This one. So having both the male and the female organs, this flower is described to be a perfect flower. But since it lacks one whorl, it lacks the sepal or the calyx, it is considered as an incomplete flower. Though it is a perfect flower because it has both the stamens and the pistil.